Brand new from Paslode, this is the FrameMaster NightWolf. Now the NightWolf features a brand new fuel recipe which delivers more nails per can, up to 1,500 nails. And that new fuel mix has multiple benefits. Firstly, it delivers more driving force, up to 8% more driving force with this nail than its predecessor. More than enough power for working with LVL. That new fuel mix also lubricates the inside workings better too, meaning there's less build-up and less downtime. In fact, it slashes your downtime in half by halving the maintenance interval from 40,000 nails. With this nail, you service it every 80,000 nails. I've redesigned the tool, improving the ergonomics and the balance. It's just nicer in the hand, nicer to drive nails with. On the back of the magazine, Paslode's added a fuel and a battery gauge. That means you're not going to climb all the way up on a roof and run out of gas 3 nails in. Well, you might, but you've got no excuse now. On top of those indicator lights, they've made a bunch of quality of life improvements as well, like the follower. It's more streamlined for faster reloads. The trigger's got a closer pull as well, so it's less strenuous on your arms and hands and finger when working with it all day. The onboard computer also controls the fuel dosing depending on the temperature, so you're gonna have much less misfires on really cold early mornings. The magazine holds up to 52 nails. While it doesn't have bump fire, you can fire between 2 and 3 nails per second, depending on how fast you are with that little trigger finger. Paslode's new NightWolf is available now at all Sydney Tool stores right now. You can head in store, grab one for yourself, as well as a full range of nails, so you can get the full specs from our website, and you can hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. A special thanks to Marco from VIP Carpentry and Johnny for letting me come and play with the big boys on site today. Go give their socials some love, and until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.